There are three basic signals that you will use to communicate with road users: stop, proceed, and slow. To signal for vehicles to stop, aim the stop paddle face toward road users. Hold your free arm with the palm of the hand above shoulder level, toward approaching traffic. To signal for vehicles to proceed, aim the slow paddle face toward road users. Motion for road users to proceed by moving your free hand horizontally from left to right. For added emphasis, as you motion, you may point in the direction they should move. To alert traffic or signal for vehicles to slow down, aim the slow paddle face toward road users and motion up and down with your free hand, palm down. During hours of darkness or in low visibility conditions, it is recommended that you signal using a flashlight with a red glow cone. Here are the gestures you should use when signaling with a flashlight. To signal for vehicles to stop, hold the flashlight with your left arm extended down toward the ground. Then slowly move the flashlight from left to right, stopping at a 45-degree angle. For added emphasis, you can use the flashlight to point to an imaginary line where the vehicle should stop. To signal for vehicles to proceed, point the flashlight at the first vehicle's bumper. Slowly aim the flashlight toward the open lane. Then hold the flashlight in that position. Do not wave the flashlight. To alert or slow traffic, point the flashlight toward the oncoming traffic and quickly wave it in a figure 8 motion.